How to fill out documents on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Browse. Go to the Location section and go to On My iPhone. You can view all your folders over here. Tap to open any folder from here. And then, open a PDF file from this folder. If you want to edit and fill out this document, then go to the bottom panel and tap on the Edit icon. As you can see, you can now start writing over this document and fill in the details. Once you complete, tap on the Share icon at the bottom. And then, tap on Save to Files. Here, choose the folder where you want to save the file and then tap on Save. Now, go back to the Files app and locate the folder where you just saved the document. You can now open and view the file from here. Following these steps, you can easily fill out documents on iPhone.